We all are intelligent searchers, but what does it take to be an intuitive researcher? We are used to working with search engines by asking the questions ourselves, and we wanted to show other aspects of cognition and creativity by asking the participant to answer to a research engine. Most neurodivergent people fail in the interview process for a job, and we wanted to reverse the role and ask companies to answer questions for which we already have answers or for which we can find one. NRE is a neurodivergent research engine through which we are exploring the questions that the bipolar person asks when finding himself or herself in a manic episode. The majority of patients with bipolar are facing difficulties in communicating and connecting with others, which led to a high unemployment rate among people with this type of neurodivergence. Inspired by the artist's own struggle in the work field as a neurodivergent employee, we tried to track down the common discomfort that the patient has brought to her work environment, and we have found that asking questions got her in trouble. The artist has learned in therapy since was a teen that questions build intimacy while providing expansion through imagination. But outside therapy walls, a neurodivergent person can be as disruptive as a new technology in the workplace. NRE is built for each user to experience the consequences of the artist's apophenia through receiving questions. The goal is for the participant to transform the sensation of disruption, error, or deviation that occurs in its thoughts into new ideas, processes, or systems. NRE invites each participant to meditate on each question before moving to another.